Sleep. Yeah, y'all. Yeah. Yeah, nigga, what's happening? 7 letter out the alphabet, real G, nigga, no wagon. All facts.
YouTube, what's poppin', yo? It's your boy Mike. Welcome to one of my first vlogs on this channel, and this is my life outside of football. Yeah, but it is one of the days in my life when I'm not in football. You feel me? So bear with me from a bit, you know, so I'm getting the hang of this vlogging thing. But as of right now, I won't yap too much since it's one of my first vlogs. I want to show y'all like throughout the day. I don't want to yap too much. Without any further ado, just waiting for my homeboys to pull up with this car so that we can leave. Things are happening.
Seems like time runs away. One request, won't you wait for me? So many tries and mistakes, so why would you go far from me? You know.
Alright, Joe, so we just made it to the spot. I won't lie, we're here super early, so I don't expect a lot of cars to be here, no cap. But then as far as it is, nah, the cars that are here right now are looking promising, you know? So far, hold on. Audis, Beamers, Mercedes. It's cool, nah, Stokie looking promising, okay. As soon as the fire cars pop up, I'm gonna update y'all. For now, let me just chill, let me wait for more cars to pull up.
Just let out a cry for me, I'll be on my way. So why would you go far from me? You know that's not safe. Just let out a cry for me, I'll be on.
Alright, y'all. But what to expect from my first comment, I don't know, bro. Nah, I'm excited, no cap. Like, I don't know if they're gonna be raving and stuff like that because the flight did say no raving. This is the Pantry, you feel me? So then yeah, I won't lie, I look good, I look fly. I didn't even show them a fit of the day. Yo, can you hold my camera real quick? Let me just show them the fit of the day. So my people. Does the lighting look good?
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright, cool. So we got Soviets, you feel me? I don't know how much they got. We got the black cargos, thrifted, white vest, got blue button up, racist, you feel me? Got do that because I don't have a cut. Subscribe since I can get monetized. Get a cut. Then we got Gucci glasses, the realest. Again. Nah. Yo. But as far as it is, there is a Porsche here though. I took a few flicks of some Mercedes. There's Beamers that pull up with turbos, no cap. Hold on, let me show you real quick.
I kinda lost my way, but I got back. Swear to God, I deserve me a second chance. God forbid I mess it up again, I swear I pack my bag. And after that, it can be with someone that got what I lack. And if he treats you better than I do, don't tell him about your past. I'm in.
Yeah. Woo! Supra, dog. What the hell's about the Supra, bro? Alright, y'all. So the cars have arrived, no cap. You see what I'm talking about? So we have an M4 that pull up. We have a BMW M2. We have a Supra MK5. Let me show y'all. Let me stop talking. This is Supra MK5. Let me show you boys the Ford Mustang GT. We have the M4. We got Smokey in this bitch. Okay. Get the lineup so far, boys. Yeah. Nah, this got me excited, no cap. The M2 parked up is facing, the back is facing us. I don't know why, bro, no cap. But we got the M2 there, bro. Yeah. And now it's turning up, no cap. Now the cars are pulling up. Now the proper cars are pulling up. No cap. I think by far the best one I like is the M4. The M4 is super cool, bro. The M4 is fire, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, the Ford Mustang GT is fire, bro. Is this the M3, M4? Got the M4 here, blacked out. Hold on, let me catch it for you boys properly. Got a fire M4. Proper M4 is fire. It's the lineup right now. Blacked out. Detail, I won't lie. I gotta lie. One thing about these cars so far is that they make sure these cars with detail, bro. Don't care. They make sure these cars with detail, bro. Let me see if I can show you all the M2 properly real quick. This is the M2. Got the M2 up in this bit, no cap. BMW M2. Yeah. I won't lie, now these cars are clean. Not gonna lie, these cars are clean, bro. These cars are fire. It's the lineup so far on this side, bro. Okay. If you're lunch here by Pantry here in Bassonia today, I don't know where you're at, bro. If you're not here, you're missing out, right? If you know, you know. If you don't, you slow, bro. This is the new model of the Ford Mustang GT electric. I know for sure. This is the Ford Mustang electric. For me personally, we got another Beamer just pulled up. For me personally, I'm saying the Ford Mustang GT, the new version, the electric one. I don't mess with it as much, just because I prefer the older manual one. I feel like that one's more manual, you know. As long as they all sound good, I won't lie. I mean, hey, I do mess with the M2s and the M3s. I think most of them are automatic, you feel me? So yeah, that's what I'm messing with for now. But if more cars pull up, then I'm gonna let y'all boys know. Alright, this disgusting cars to come in my... Nah, man, I don't know. Sounds fresh, nah, sounds fresh. It's that car.
Maybe I'm crazy. Let me just be.
Yeah. Manifesting. So that's all about manifestation. Huh? Let me be like those Instagram gurus. If you wanna know how to get an info like me, you feel me? You just gotta make sure you type free in the comment section. I'm gonna send you my course.
I'm working on a better me. Girl, you know you balance me. I just tryna treat you better, better. I swear these songs all letter. I'm your shoulder to cry on your shoulder.
This is a Chevy 1947.
Yeah.
It has a twin turbo LS1 pushing 850 horsepower.
Oh, damn.
On low boost, yeah.
Was it great to find such a vehicle? I'm sure it wasn't easy to find.
No, it wasn't. The restoration took a while, but
Yeah.
it wasn't so bad.
Alright, cool. How long did it take for like you to complete mod it out?
Complete.
Yeah.
Flip, but 2 years.
2 years.
2 years.
Nah, it was worth it.
Yeah. 100%. 100%.
Nah, Jay, it's good, man.
Enjoy it.
Those are the specs of the Chevy from the owner himself. You feel me? Yeah. W Network, W Network. Alright, y'all. So, we've been looking at a bunch of cars. We've been rotating. Now I'm in the Mercedes-Benz showroom. I was having a little meeting with the Mercedes-Benz executives. I'm good, and you? I'm great. I was having an interview with the Mercedes-Benz executives, and they think about sponsoring me. You feel me? Because they said I look so fly and sexy. But these are the cars in the showroom. Let me show you. So here we got a GLA Mercedes-Benz, beautiful. We got an E-Class, beautifully spec'd out. It's one of the freshest Mercedes-Benz I've ever seen. I don't know. If y'all are Mercedes-Benz fans, let me know in the comments. If y'all are Beamer fans, let me know in the comments. This is a GLE over here. They got merch as well. They got shirts, tracks, what they have here. Oh, they sell like, I think, pieces. They got nice pieces here. Got a Mercedes car. I have a Mercedes-Benz dealership. They don't have a Beamer dealership, bro. Come on. Who knows? Do y'all see me in a Mercedes-Benz or a Beamer? Let me know. Let me know. Yeah, it's a fire. Auntie, if you don't mind me asking, what would you say is your favorite Mercedes-Benz? What would you say is your favorite Mercedes-Benz here? Which one do you personally like?
I would definitely go with
The GLC. Nah, I think it is cool. I feel it's also like a perfect mom car.
Yes, definitely mom car.
Yeah.
Why not this?
Nah, genuinely, yeah. But how come they only have a Mercedes-Benz dealership? Where's the... Oh shoot, I didn't even see that. What? That thing in front? Now what? So the lights on this thing, I like the way it flickers, bro. Do you see that?
Yes.
Virus.
Girl, you so strong, let me take that pressure off your shoulders. Seems like time runs away. One request, won't you wait for me? So many tries and mistakes. So why would you go for
That's the amount of 5 cars today, bro. No care. Whole lot of cars popping out. So I'm even tired because I've been jumping off camera on some giddy shit which y'all are never gonna see. You feel me? So yeah. R34 Skyline just pulled out. Shout out to Paul Walker. He's OG R34. Yes. Only real rap I feel like you can put on this before. Blue BMW just pulled in. Blue Beamer, hold on. I gotcha. Woo! That also an M2. That's another M2.
Oh my
Let me show you another M2 just pulled through. Another M2. In purple. Which M2 model is this one? Which M2 model is this one? Crazy lineup, bro. Crazy lineup. Now the lineup is starting to get good. Lineup starts to get good. Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all where my car is parked there. Y'all wanna see my car? I think I parked my car on the other in the other parking lot because if I go to jail it's gonna be too crazy. I'm gonna put a picture of my car on the screen. If you don't believe me, they can go suck ass, nigga. You feel me? Now we got a crazy lineup now, bro. We got homeboy walking with the dog over there. It's tough. Supra. So let me update y'all on the lineup real quick. Got Supra MK5 tune modded out. Nissan GTR R34 modded out. BMW. This is a 240 F87. Got a BMW F87. You got Smokey from Lightning McQueen Chevrolet. And you also already in the video the specs of this one. And then we got a Gusheshe. You can't go wrong with the Gusheshe. Over there. Golf GTI. Got a Golf GTI. Got homeboy with his dog over here. I'm gonna show you the dog. We got an M4 comp here. No. No, it's not an M4. This is an M340i. And then we got a Mustang 4 GT500. One of my favorite. Me personally, with the strips, the gray strips, I wouldn't go with the gray strips. I'll probably go black because gray look weird. And then we got M4s over here. Got an M4 competition here in green. This is my favorite car here today. M4 comp. Volkswagen. Got a modded out Mercedes Benz. Crazy wrap on it. Crazy. Oh, you know. Got a Porsche Cayenne over here. I feel like this is old money. No kill. Not a BMW. Yeah, that's pretty much all of it.
You know that's not safe. Just let out a cry for me. Y'all be on my way. So why would you go far from me? You know that's not safe. Just let out a cry for me. I kinda lost my way, but I got back. Don't know how I lost you, girl, it's magic. With no makeup on, you still look dashing. You flashy, you fancy. Girl, I'm not even lying.
hot day, no cap. Now I'm on the way to I know you'll see I sound tired as hell, but now I'm on the way to find an ATM. I just want to get some cash. I want to get a drink because it's hot. It's hot. Yeah, crazy hot. But it's only been like an hour and a half of every clip y'all have seen. That's only been an hour and a half. It's not even the end of the car meet. There's a fire Mercedes. Let me show you real quick. Let me show you. Fire Spectre. But anyway, yeah. Let's go find the ATM later and I'm gonna get a drink. Let's do that. Go. What am I rating the day out of 10 so far? This is a one life, so good 7.2 out of 10. That's me just being generous because I'm not seeing the cars I really wanted to see. What would you rate the day out of 10 so far, bro?
I give it an 8.
An 8, nah, that's good. The cars, yeah, the cars, yeah, shoot, probably 8, bro. Most of them have been Indians or colors or something. I haven't seen a black nigga pull up in one of the sports cars. Where are the black guys, bro?
I'm chilling here.
The black guys are just here in the restaurants here. I'm not gonna film them, I just know all the black people are in the restaurants eating, but they don't want to pay down nigga cash. There's a fire convertible.
Fast to find an ATM.
And that mall does look nice, I'm not even lie.
We can just go to the garage.
Possibly, yeah, I think we can into the garage. No cap. Have a massive ass mall, but you don't have ATMs lying around. What kind of hustler mindset is this? As a customer of this grand mall, I'm not happy, I'm unhappy. I need to go find a reviews page. Bassonia, whatever address this is, I'm gonna go and write a review. It's a Fire X6, let me show you. It's a Fire X6. Fire X6. Would I own one? Of course, yeah. Now I have to go across the goddamn road to find a goddamn little ATM to go and take out goddamn small money. What a waste of time. Okay, where's the out?
What?
Where do you even exit? No, I'm even more unhappy because I have to go all the way down from where I came from just to exit this way. I'm gonna tap in job boys when I get there. Eish. Rev the stock. Alright, Joe, so I got the money. I'm looking for the drinks now. You see in these fancy malls, but you find anything but drinks. You find white people drinks, Kiwi or Ferrari, guys. Yo, I just see a Ferrari, look at it. Now this is mad nice, bro. Mad nice. Yo. Jeez. This is mad nice, bro. Ew. See, maybe it was God's plan for me to go to this other mall so that I can see this Ferrari. He knows I'm having a good day. Yeah. That's fire, bro. Oh. Yeah, feel me. Let me go get my drink. I'm gonna see you when I see you and I'm thirsty as hell. That's why I'm not talking a lot. Yeah.